Hi, good day. I am Angel Chris Entroso Moreno, 21 years of age. I live in Payasan, Lianga, Surigao del Sur. I would like to apply as a secretary in your company. My objectives is to be an effective employee. I graduated at Surigao del Sur State University, Lianga Campus, Lianga, Surigao del Sur, in year 2017 to 2018. I attended Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Business Economics. I am good in basic software. I know how to operate computer like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And I can also speak three languages like English, Tagalog, and Visayan. I have my experience on job during 1 year as a sales lady in Valencia store at 72 Caliraya Street, Tatalon, Quezon City. I learned how to be efficient, especially doing my paperwork of all products. If you have any further requires to myself, do not hesitate to contact this